Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can sell or withdraw from your Tonkeeper wallet. So here on your Tonkeeper wallet you want to press on buy and sell. After clicking on buy and sell, you want to select sell right here. After clicking on sell, you want to click this first option here, the Mercury's, to sell your Ton coins. Make sure to press that and then sell with the Mercurio. After clicking that, it will proceed you here on this page. Make sure you want to withdraw how much Ton coin you want to withdraw. For now I don't have, but for example let's just go for 10 ton, and here just click on the code and then continue, and then you want to type in your email, and then after typing your email just click on continue. So yeah, that's how you withdraw from your Tonkeeper wallet.